Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to home, lock screen and always on display. Then scroll down here and tap to always on display feature. To activate it you should click here only once, and we can switch here the show on always on display feature just by in power saving mode schedule, so we can set the start and the end time here and all day. So let's just lock the device, and now we can see that the always on display successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.